How to stop tomato wilt the MKIRIKACHA way. This is the face of a tomato plant that's had enough. Wilt has struck again, but not on MKIRIKACHA TV's watch. Before we jump in, drop a comment down below. Tell us where you're watching from. We don't judge. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so your tomatoes never faint on you again. Raised beds, the first bodyguard for your tomatoes.
That's right. I'm here to keep those roots safe and sound. Elevated, well-drained, and ready to ward off that nasty wilt.
Raised beds provide better drainage and reduce soil compaction, giving your tomato plants the best start.
So give me a try and watch your tomatoes thrive.
Stay tuned for more tips on the MKIRIKACHA way to healthy tomatoes. Enter the first tomato bodyguard. Drum roll, please. Raised beds. Raised beds are like VIP lounges for tomatoes. Plenty of legroom, or should I say root room. Great drainage, and no drama from soggy, muddy ground. No more waterlogged roots crying for help, no more airless soil choking your plants, and no more soil-borne diseases crashing the tomato party. MKIRIKACHA tip. Use new, clean soil in your raised beds. Don't carry old soil that's been hanging around with bad company like fusarium or verticillium. Then comes the silent warrior. Mulch, the ninja of the garden. It sneaks in, covers your soil, keeps it cool like iced tea on a hot day, stops the sun from roasting your roots, holds on to moisture like a jealous ex, and best of all, it stops evil soil diseases from splashing up like uninvited guests. No mud splashes equals no wilting, which means no crying in your shamba. Raised beds plus mulch equals MKIRIKACHA power combo. Raised beds say, I got your roots. Mulch says, I got your back. Tomatoes say, let's grow, baby. Host, so if wilt has been bullying your tomatoes, it's time to fight back MKIRIKACHA style. Build those raised beds, throw on that mulch, and watch your tomatoes go from 0 to hero.
So if wilt has been bullying your tomatoes, it's time to fight back MKIRIKACHA style. Build those raised beds, throw on that mulch, and watch your tomatoes go from 0 to hero. Now tell us down in the comments, where are you watching from? We want to shout you out in the next video. Hit that like button if you've ever lost a tomato to wilt. And don't leave without clicking subscribe, because here at MKIRIKACHA TV, we grow tomatoes, we grow laughs, and we grow you into a better farmer.
MKIRIKACHA TV, home of smart farming and funny vibes.